Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you will find and feel fresh. In today's lecture, I'm going to show you how can you use the rib and creo parametric. Right now it is hidden. That means first we need a solid object, and right now let me choose this plane, sketch on it, make sure sketch preview is on, and this time I will draw an L shape and I will extrude it. Just come in standard view and as a solid, and keep the wall thickness right now is 12. Just look in preview and just check OK. Now once I drawn this object, you can see rib is highlighted right now. So why we are using rib in between two surfaces to make the two surfaces tightened with each other. Okay, actually we are creating rib in between these two surfaces for making them tighten with each other. So for that, right now, so I will create a surface, a plane, and that plane we want to keep it over here. Okay, and I will draw a profile like type. Let me show it right now. How can you draw that? Just draw a line from the center of first wall to the center of the second wall and just click OK. Now come to the profile rib. As you can see that let me keep the rib thickness is 12 this time. Okay, so a lot of you have seen like such kind of ribs, and you have to face them, so you should know the way how can you draw the rib in between two surfaces. So this is really very simple for you people. Okay, if you have done something wrong, so you can edit them over here, like let me increase the rib thickness from here. Okay, and either you can use the shell. Okay, and just click OK. So this is how you can use the rib and between two surfaces. So hopefully you like this video. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell icon so that to receive the upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.